Hello, I'm Nadia. Let's check what you remember.
A vocabulary test on food and cooking, sweets and breakfast. A lollipop. A chocolate bar. A chocolate coin. A chocolate sweet. A jelly sweet. A hard sweet. Boil the sausage. Fry an egg. Cut broccoli. Pour tea. Add sugar. Stir.
Well done!